Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pumpkin pie in the Cookingdom game. First, you'll need to collect all the necessary ingredients. This includes a fresh pumpkin, some sugar, and a blend of warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Don't forget to prepare or acquire a pie crust, which is crucial for your culinary creation. Make sure your in-game kitchen is ready with a mixing bowl and a reliable oven. Next, let's focus on crafting that perfect pumpkin pie filling. Start by pureeing your pumpkin until it's wonderfully smooth. Then, in your mixing bowl, combine this pumpkin puree with 2 eggs, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and your chosen spices. Whisk everything together until the mixture is completely smooth and evenly blended, ensuring a rich flavor. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the pumpkin pie filling into your unbaked pie crust. Place it in your in-game oven, preheated to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 15 minutes. After this initial bake, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 40 minutes until the center is mostly set. Once baked, let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a rack. This is essential for it to set properly. After it's cooled, you can slice and serve your delicious creation. For an extra touch, consider garnishing it with a dollop of whipped cream or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.